When someone's charged with a sex crime, they are as distraught as you can be, as emotionally. And that's because sex offense can affect every area of your life, right? It can affect your freedom, it can affect your employment, it can affect your housing, it can affect your family relationships. It really can affect everything. And the first thing we do when someone calls after being charged with a crime or being investigated for a crime is to try to lower their stress level. We explain what's going on with the case, what their exposure is, and what a potential strategy might be to address their case, to put them in the best possible position moving forward. If you're charged with a sex crime, one of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking that they can go it alone, or thinking that they can even speak to the police or an investigator without competent legal counsel. When you're choosing a criminal defense attorney, you absolutely need someone who has experience in the area of law that you're being charged with. Ideally, you want someone who actually has experience as a prosecutor like Colin and I do. It's so important to have someone who has that perspective, because that puts you in a position where we know how the prosecution is putting together their case, and therefore we know how to take that case apart. So if you're not sure if you want to hire a criminal defense attorney because maybe you think you can't afford a criminal defense attorney, call a criminal defense attorney. We offer free consultations. We're not going to charge you anything if you want to come and get some advice, and we'll give you good advice. If you're charged with a crime, it affects every area of your life, come talk to us, because we can likely help, and even if we can't, you still get some good advice.